I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. And guys, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. I'm here whether pump or dump, and we're gonna get through this. I got my hot tea and honey, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. And guys, it's a bloodbath in the markets today. I'm using this as a buying opportunity. As I'm making this video, anything can change. The crypto market can change literally on the dime. But as I'm making this video the day before, so a little bit early, we are experiencing a market correction. The total market cap is down about 6.3% on the day. But again, you know, I'm using this as a buying opportunity and looking for coins that can possibly... I can bolster my bags with. Now, taking a look at a VeChain here. We're down about 6% on the day here. Looks like we had a real deep bounce, but came back up. And now we're at about 9 cents. Again, nothing has changed in my playbook here, guys. We're literally buying the dip. We're buying the dip here. It's Satoshi Boomin. And, yeah, I know it's tough. I know people don't like to see the reds, but hey, like I posted on Twitter, go ahead and follow me, guys. Follow me on Twitter, Boomin Satoshi. I made the most money when the prices were low. So again, you know, nothing has changed. We're literally stacking VeChain and chilling. I know it might not seem like you want to stack VeChain and chill right now, but again, remember what we're here for. Moving on. Taking a look at the fear and greed index. Well, what happened? What the heck happened? Last month we were at extreme greed, guys. Just number go up. Look at how it's so easy to manipulate the markets. Look at how it's so easy to manipulate the emotions of human beings. It's really easy. All you got to do is change a number on the screen, and then people's emotions could go for all-time highs to all-time lows. Did you get finessed out of your crypto today? Did the whales take your crypto for cheap? Did you panic sell? Well, if you did, well, let this be a lesson, man. You can't panic sell. I don't know what to say, guys. Like, don't panic sell. Hodl. Hodl, hodl. Not financial advice, but, you know, it's hard to really explain, and it's really hard to really talk about until you've done it. A lot of the people on my channel are new, and you haven't been through dips like this. Well, it's par for the course, baby, and that's what makes crypto so great. That's why we love crypto so much, because yes, it could go up 4,000% in a year, but it could also crash 90% in a couple days. So that's why we love crypto. High risk, high reward. Again, guys, they're still printing money like crazy. You know, I read on Twitter $300 billion or so was wiped out of crypto. Guys, they could print $300 billion tomorrow. So I'm not worried. Again, picking out our favorite cryptos that might have been a bit expensive before the dip. We're buying up those. We're continuing to stake our favorite cryptos. And we're just on course for the ride. Now, why the markets tumble is because of China. And for some reason, I posted a video a couple days ago. Y'all did not like that video at all. It was probably one of my most disliked videos by you guys. And I was just telling you guys the news about the Evergrande thing. But for some reason, y'all didn't like that. And guys, I'm not here to tell you everything you like, okay? I'm here to tell you the real stuff. And the real news is that China is facing a deleveraging event, okay? Apparently, according to BitBoy, they do this every couple of years, and that seems to be kind of correct, or at least partially correct, because if we think about it, Alibaba, just a few years ago, was one of the most powerful companies in the world, and the Chinese government came in. We don't know where Jack Ma is. My man's is like playing golf and stuff when he was doing interviews with Elon Musk. Now he's playing golf and Lord knows what else. So I don't know what they did to that guy, the Chinese government did, but they did something to him. And now, you know, Alibaba's stock is probably... Actually, let's take a look at that real quick. So I pulled it up here, and yep, about a year ago, Alibaba was riding high, 309, and that was crashed completely down to about $151. So the Chinese government does that sometimes. They literally go in and they break up companies, and they... You know, if the companies were borrowing a lot of money, they're trying to deleverage a lot of the companies. They're trying to clean up a lot of stuff in their economy and trying to gain control over a lot of sectors. That's why they're coming after crypto. That's why they're coming after, you know, Evergrande and Alibaba and all these big companies that have massive debt on their balance sheet. They're trying to break these things up and restructure them. So that's going to cause a ripple effect because people have invested a lot in the Chinese company, in Evergrande. So that's going to cause fear in the markets. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this fear and this irrationality and, you know, all this speculation of what's going to happen with China's economy and housing market. I'm going to use this to my gain. Because right now there's a fire sale on Chinese properties. I can't buy them being an American. That's fine. But we're seeing the ripple effects in the crypto markets and the stock markets now. So, again, I'm using this as a buying opportunity. I'm not, again, we need to flip our mindsets from green, oh, we need to buy because it's green. No, no, no. We buy when it's red. All right, guys? Flip the mindset. Flip it. Okay? So, investors unnerved by the financial strains of a Chinese real estate firm sent cryptos reeling on Monday, with Bitcoin tumbling by more than 7%. A risk-sensitive assets plunged. The leading digital coin shed over $3,000, changing hands just below 44,000 midday trading. The moves were the latest signal that the largest cryptocurrency, blah, blah, blah. With the virus still dominating investor concerns, markets were jolted by news of Evergrande, a major Chinese real estate company. I talked about that for like 15 minutes. Y'all didn't like that video. I don't know why. But hey, I'm just giving the news here. China's potentially slowing economy and Beijing's aggressive actions against key business sectors like Bitcoin, like mining. I mean, I don't know why they just don't use that to their advantage, but hey, you know, I'm not a totalitarian government. I don't have totalitarian government's thought processes, but they do what they do, and that's causing effects in the market. Now, I think these effects are temporary. I think these market effects are, you know, reactionary, and I think that in time we will recover. Especially if the reports are true that they are restructuring Evergrande, and apparently, hopefully, the Chinese government will bail them out. Now, I had some people comment saying that they shouldn't bail them out, yada yada. Guys, the reason why our coin purses are so hefty right now is because we got bailed out. All right, asset holders got bailed out through COVID. Okay, so more bailouts for us is a good thing. All right, so I don't know what you guys are talking about. Print the money, inject the money. Okay, you know, I'm fine with it. The asset prices just keep going up, so I'm in favor of trying to bail out. I mean, they're bailing out everybody else. Why not more? But you guys comment down below and let me know what you think. And we're on to the VeChain news, guys. All I can say is these dips have nothing to do with VeChain's fundamentals at all. Nothing to do with VeChain's fundamentals, nothing to do with Cardano's fundamentals, nothing to do with Bitcoin's fundamentals, nothing to do with Ethereum's fundamentals. If we get a dip because of VeChain's fundamentals, because of a rug pull, because of a, you know, let's just say one day Sunny Lou comes out and is like, you know what, this is a scam. I'm taking all my VeChain and dumping it on the open market. Okay, then we would have a problem. But a dip because of macroeconomic things that really have nothing to do with VeChain, really have nothing to do with crypto as a whole, I'm not too worried. So using these buying opportunities as buying opportunities, and onto the VeChain news. I kept you guys waiting long enough. Sorry, I just felt like we needed to talk about that. So, quick recap of the roundtable. I know you guys are, this is probably the last thing on your mind, but let's go through it. We have quite a reputation outside the blockchain space. This is Sunny Lu talking. Recently, we are close to a big client in China. When someone brought up VeChain to their CEO, they went like, oh, I know this. So honestly, the thing I learned from Louis Vuitton is that branding is important. Sonny also says that people need trust. So I think we protect VeChain pretty well. We never brag about things around. Building appreciation with new technology is time consuming. But in the blockchain space, people wish you've done it in one day or one night. It is unrealistic, and I would wholeheartedly agree with that. All right, guys, Rome wasn't built in a day. VeChain's not going to be built in a day, and your life-changing wealth won't be built in a day. We would like to have a very solid foundation. We want to do things in a step-by-step process because we hold a long-term vision. Listen to this, guys. Listen to this. Blockchain technology can really shake the world like the internet did 40 or 50 years ago. I am looking for at least a 20 to 25 year career ahead. Guys, that's probably the most important thing my man said here. All right? We're looking long term, okay? We are guys, you don't know how lucky you are to be living in this era right now with a new asset class only 13 years old. You don't know how lucky you are, guys. We are literally on the cutting edge, on the ground floor of something big. This is like being an early investor into Facebook before Facebook was a thing. But no, all you guys care about is number go up. Like, oh my God, I literally palm my face every time I get a FUD comment in my comment section talking about some dumbass thing like price. And I know I'm going to have a troll. Come on, troll. I got time for you, troll. Come on, tell me how price is the most important thing. Please go ahead. Comment down below. When price was the most important thing a year and a half ago when VeChain was below a penny, people were freaking out, talking about VeChain was not going anywhere. It's a China coin, it's a scam coin, yada, yada, yada. Price was the most important thing back then. Look at where we are now, guys. Many more partnerships. Price is freaking 30x'd since then. But no, okay? You only care about what have you done for me lately, guys. This market is frustrating sometimes because people don't get it. And it's okay if you don't get it, but if you don't get it, don't come at me in all disrespectful like, because guys, I can't control the price. All right. People be getting mad at me like I can control the dang price of VeChain. But anyway, no technology can solve 100% of a problem, but even at 1% increases of efficiency or accuracy, could solve more problems bit by bit, year by year. When talking about challenges, the biggest is strategy. When the people, our business is growing faster than the team and the money and the business connections. The entire industry is at its early stage. So amongst all these, I would say making money is the easiest thing. Duh. All you got to do is just hodl. I've been trying to tell y'all that. But nah, y'all want to flip and trip and buy shitcoin plus. Okay, keep doing it. Don't listen to the OGs. We don't know what we talk about. Some people may try to make quick cash, which has actually been quite common in the past few years. But for VeChain, so far we've been doing quite well. We've been transforming the technology value to the business value. We continue to build and deliver. So I'm down with VeChain. Y'all go ahead. Y'all can sell y'all VeChain if you want to. I ain't gonna be mad at you. Hell, I won't even know. Nobody's gonna know, guys, if you click that sell button. Nobody. And nobody's gonna shame you either. You know what? If this is too stressful, if a 9-cent VeChain makes you lose sleep at night, then please sell. Do me a favor and sell, because I don't want this to stress you out. I don't want you to be, you know, losing family. You know, I lost my wife because I spent our kids' college fund on VeChain. Like, bruh, no. Please sell. If you're stressed out, sell it. Live your life, guys. Crypto's going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here next week. And guess what? It's going to be here next month. And guess what? It's going to be here next year. All right? It's going to be here 10 years from now, 20 years from now, maybe 50 years from now. Who knows? Blockchain, together with third-party services, ensures authenticity of data and entities that can engage in the sustainability roadmap. That is, VeChain and DMV assurance paves the fundamentals for future circular economy. And I would agree, guys. We are still on the ground floor. Don't forget that. We've still got a long way to go. And there's going to be stuff. There's going to be black swan events. There's going to be attacks from governments. There's going to be attacks from, you know, you're going to be questioning your sanity throughout this whole thing. I know I have. On many occasions. Literally many occasions. Like, what am I doing buying these digital online tokens? Like, but then I think about, you know, what do these tokens actually represent? They represent freedom. Okay? They represent a chance to push power to the edges. They represent new possibilities. Things that we have never even thought of before or could have imagined before, guys. Like, I'm so excited for the future. There are going to be things invented that, you know, we never even thought possible. NFTs have been around for a while, but did we ever think that an NFT could be sold for $69 million? No, but it happened. Ethereum has been around since 2015. Okay. And DeFi just literally took off in 2020. Absolutely exploded. DeFi's have been around since 2016, 2017, but it just now took off. And it's still in its infancy. We still don't know what cool decentralized applications are going to come in the next 5 to 10 years. All right? So I'm still bullish on the future. I know it's tough. I know it's real tough, guys. Watching your portfolio go down. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets real quick. I've been blabbering on long enough. 915 days by the time I send this video out. I'm doing this video early due to time constraints. Shout out to everybody that's been with me. I know things have been rough. I know VeChain hasn't been moving the way we wanted it to move, but we're still in this for the long haul. At least I am. And as the time of me making this video, it's a bloodbath, guys. Straight red. Red everywhere, okay? I'm training my brain. When I see the red, I buy. When I see the green, I get a little fearful, okay? So, let's actually take a look. Let's take a look at the markets and let's assess some things. So, Bitcoin's down about 6% on the day. And of course, if Bitcoin goes down 6%, everything and altcoins get pushed down heavier. Now, I'm using this as buying opportunity, like I say multiple times. The only coin that is pumping right now is Celo and Omise Go. I don't know why they're pumping. But let's take a look at any coins that have been beaten down. Near, Osmosis, Cosmos. Yeah, so, I mean, in reality, it's not even too bad. Like, I know y'all don't want to hear that. Like, I know I've been pissed a lot of people off. But, like, it's actually not that bad if you look at it. I mean, yeah, we're down. Some coins are down like 10, 20%. But in crypto, I mean, that's another Tuesday. Like, I mean, you know, if the market looked like this in the stock market, people would be jumping off buildings. Like, literally, bro. People would be, they would be committing unalive if if we had a 6% dip in the market, 20% correction. So this is pretty much another Tuesday. I would not freak out. Like, I'm not freaking out. So you guys don't freak out. Again, I've been blabbering on long enough. I'm going to end this video. I love you guys so much. All right, ain't nothing changed. We're stacking VeChain and chilling. I hope you guys are with me. If you ain't with me, take some profits. Take a break. Put the phone down. Don't check Coinbase. Don't check CoinMarketCap. 2-3 weeks, guys. Crypto's gonna be here tomorrow. I'm gonna be here tomorrow. And I love each and every one of you. I hope you guys stick with me. All right. Hope you guys stick with me. Have a good day, guys. Love y'all. Bye.